So go ahead and put your banana pudding bowl down over this lovely little low-lying dish arrangement, and then put wet foam into the stem of the bowl so you can put more fresh flowers. But before you do that, slip on a gorgeous little bracelet for an added touch of decoration to make it pop. Then put your flowers in after that, as big as you want, but don't forget to put that bracelet on first. Then put your flowers in. So here the arrangement is. Now you could slip that down over that other arrangement, or you could put under the bowl some movie tickets or a little dish of chocolates for a way to say I love you. There, if you didn't want to use the bracelet, you could use a lovely necklace or a bandana or a scarf, anything to accent the color of the flowers. Or you could even use trim and put a little piece of tape on there or something to hanging down. Ooh, what about these fancy little bracelets that you see everywhere nowadays? Just pop that on there and it adds a very inexpensive, gorgeous touch to your arrangement. So you've either got a gorgeous centerpiece or a lovely way to say I love you before you head out on a date. What about parties? Yes, crackers and cheese. Now notice there isn't a whole lot of room right there on top for all those crackers, so you'll want to supplement around with other plates of crackers if you're having a large party, but it does make a fun centerpiece or conversation piece to your party. Well, what about cookies and candy? You could use M&Ms or mints or little chocolates on your dessert table to make a splash. Or your coffee and tea parties. You could have your condiments all spread out in little sticks to dip in your coffee or tea. Well, how about fresh fruit with apple dip or cream cheese or Cool Whip or even melted chocolate or caramel? What a fun way to have a centerpiece that's edible. I go to Jesus for good ideas, and he always comes through.